Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to debug XVim here. Uh, Actually, this is not really debugging, but how to get a debug log from XVim. Uh, this will help you to solve problem if you have any issues um, in XVim, um, especially when I cannot reproduce your problem in my environment. It is really great help if you can get a debug log in your environment and post it to issue page in GitHub. So I'm going to show you how to get a debug log here, but sorry that I'm not really good English speaker, so you may feel some difficulties to understand what I'm saying here. Just please feel free to ask me any questions if you cannot understand something. So I'm going to use Xcode 5. I think most of you already using it. And I assume that you already have XVim source code and you already know how to build XVim binary. So I opened XVim project with Xcode 5, and to get XVim debug log, you have to build it with debug configuration. So I'm going to use Xcode version 5. So I choose scheme Xcode for Xcode 5, XVim for Xcode 5, and here you have to edit scheme before getting a debug log, because usually it is built with release, and you have to set it to debug, and you have to build it now. Okay, I built it successfully. Maybe okay. Quit Xcode. Now XVim built with debug configuration is built into Xcode plugin folder. But before relaunching Xcode, you have to edit XVim RC file. Maybe you already know that XVim supports xvim.rc file. XVim RC file. This is my .xvim RC file. You can see some options, but you can set debug here to get debug log. You need it. So I save this, save this file, and then restart Xcode. Now this Xcode is running with XVim built with debug configuration. So all the operations here logged into debug log, which is created into your home directory. Now I show we have XVim log file here. In your home directory, you will see .xvim log file. So log file. Yeah, here this is what we get from the operations. So most of them are like, I think you can see some J. Here's J. Yeah, I input a lot of J's here, so debug log shows a lot of J operations. Here's maybe some like W here. LL here. Not this one, but W. I think this is word operation. So anyway, this is a debug log for the operation. XVim log file is not cleared if you don't delete it manually. So if you want to get clear debug log, create Xcode first, then delete .xvim log file, then restart Xcode. And do some operations which will lead crash or some bugs. Okay. Now this log shows that V, J, V, J, J, and J, J, D, and I think here's colon and W. This is save command. And here's some, yeah, because we deleted some lines, this is the log for what kind of characters are deleted into register. So anyway, this debug log is really good help to solve our problem. And now you know how to get this debug log. I hope that you can get debug log if I cannot reproduce any bug you reported. This will help me to solve that problem. So this is all. That's all to explain how to get a debug log from XVim. And the last, I want to say one more thing, that my English is not really good, but I want to make a good movie or to explain how to use XVim. And I really appreciate if someone can help me to create good explanation video or tutorial how to use XVim. Please send me an email if you can help me to create such movies to use XVim. Thank you.